All right. Get out of the way here for you. Hey, jump over the camera right over here.
Back flipper, get the fuck out. It's too shallow, dude. It's too short. Too shallow, it's 40 feet deep. You good? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Woo! What's up, man? What's up? Chilling? What's up, man?
What's up? The floaty back door. Didn't even need it.
Oh, it came off the head, man.
Did it?
All right, we're going up there. Backflip! I wish I had a pole mount. How are you I heard you slap something. That was the bottom of my feet. That's why I wear sandals. Woo! All right, where'd you try to clip that thing? Woo!